Alright, let's start adding car in our scene. Go to file, open scene, and open lesson 5 underscore start. This is our scene with that PG plate. Oops, sorry. And import our car model. You can find that in scenes folder, BMW, import. This car model I downloaded from Digital Tutor, and this is available in Digital Tutor Assets Library. You can sign up and get this model for your demonstration purpose or for your demo reel purpose. Okay, so now just place this car model somewhere around here in your scene and just look at the perspective at frame. I'm pressing the up arrow key. Okay, rotate that. Press E for rotate. Okay, I'm trying to match the perspective on one frame, and later on we will animate that. I will select the camera and change the camera position according to view. Once I get the view correct, I will lock the camera and I will play with the settings of car only. Okay, so yes, now select the camera and lock selected. Okay, so now I cannot move my camera accidentally. It's good. Okay, so now let's start the animation frame by frame. So at this frame, first frame, in y-axis this car should go there, somewhere around this place. Just rotate a little bit and just check the perspective. Still yes, it's okay, but I can see this car is in uh, air. Just move back negative in y-axis again, little bit less. Match the first frame position. All right, now it's working fine. And hit the S key on your keyboard, so it will key all these values, translate X, scale, visibility also, and go to last frame and move this car y-axis. Sorry, select the z-axis and give a positive value 100, 200, maybe 1500. All right, this is good. And key selected, or what else, key selected. Make a play blast, and in this play blast you will get a idea like how your animation is. So let's see once the play blast is done. All right, so play blast is done. Let's see in loop. Okay, I can see the car is suddenly starting and stopping in last frame. So okay, we can fix that by changing our keys tangent to linear. Select your car, edit, delete by type, static channels. This will delete all unnecessary key and animation editor, graph editor. Select the Z axis, hit F, select both keys, first and last, and linear tangent. Now again, make a play blast. Alright, play blast is done. Let's see. Yes, now I can see my car is moving along with the real car, and the perspective of car is also following the perspective of real car. Okay, so let's add a ground plane for our scene. For that, create polygon and create a plane. Inside the channel box, make the width and height of plane 5000. Okay, and just make sure the car should not go inside the ground plane. In this case it's going inside, so just make down the ground plane, so it should not go inside the ground. Okay, now it is fine. Just rename that polyplane to ground and make a display layer for that. Create a display layer, add selected object, rename that as ground, just add a underscore. And for BMW also, I'm creating a display layer, add selected, rename that as BMW, save that. So we have the car animation and ground, and in next lesson I will add environment light, car lights, and will refine the animation of car. See you there.